It's Codename water.
Man, we done did it, bro. I think we did it. It ain't grew nothing yet, but man, I think we made our first batch of black gold, bro. First batch of black gold, man. I can't tell you how big this pot is. I know it ain't 55. Is it 30? I don't know, bro, but we got a good bit of about 15 gallons of black gold. My first compost pile, so I don't know what kind of ratios of sand and whoop de whoop wham wham to add to make it actual usable soil, but man, I watch whole watermelons go in this thing, man. We'll cut a watermelon, it'll be nasty. I know it got at least 3 whole watermelons in this stuff. Grass, leaves, a little dirt, you know, you gotta add the dirt to the grass and the leaves and the stuff and the decaying matter. So man, we just done made our own dirt. I always heard about it, but it looked like dirt to me. Man, you know how much stuff I seen go into this little bucket right here? How many cantaloupes and shit that was bad, and hey man, it should be some hot stuff right here, bro. It should be some hot stuff, man. So anybody wondering about the compost pile, I'm really not the guy to give you information on how to make the compost pile, because this is my first one, and I don't think nobody that done did something one time ought to be teaching somebody something unless they ask a question. I could tell them what I did. That's all I could do, tell you what I did. But yeah, man, our first compost pile. Been popping for about 6 months, man, but I think that's done. I probably could bag this right here. Yeah, man, it's Codename. Holla at me.
It's Codename water.
Sad day, man. Told y'all this was the first crop, first cantaloupe to ever be touched by my hands, man. And this the ugly side of the game. Whenever it's something new popping, they got some ugly lessons to learn. What's the lesson from this? Bro, I couldn't tell you. All I know is if they look like the normal size of a cantaloupe, they look pretty golden, just take them. Don't wait for them to get big and try to have the biggest cantaloupe ever made. Nah, man, just take them, bro. I guess that's the lesson, but I'm gonna have to reach out to an expert. I'm gonna have to reach out to an expert, man, and see exactly what did I do wrong. Sad day, sad day. But we breaking it down, man. Breaking it down, getting rid of those spring bling, spring fling. Breaking it down, man. I'm just leaving these just to see what this little boy right here do. Shit, she about finished. I'm like, hold on, what's going on there? See, you got some little funny business happening here. Gonna pop that off, man. Fuck, that's about done. That's about done, man.
It's Codename water.